My name is Officer Lutu with the Beaverton Police Department.
I'm Officer Parker with Beaverton Police.
This is Canine Dutch, and we're out here at Hagg Lake. We're just out here hanging out with the community today, letting folks meet Dutch, one of our newest canines, and just trying to build a little bit of rapport with the folks that we work for and with. Would you like a sticker, young man? Yes? Get your parents out of speeding tickets. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. It doesn't. Sorry. Would you like to meet Dutch? What's your name, young man?
Carter.
What is it? Carter. I think the value is that the community, especially the young kids that we deal with, find us approachable. Like, we're not just lights and sirens and driving fast by your cars in the city. We're folks that want to come out and get to know you and help you in the community and, you know, hear what you have to say about things we can do better and things that you like about us. What kind of dog are you trying to get?
I don't know, husky.
A husky? Those dogs howl non-stop. Dutch is friendly. Oh. Belly.
Hey.
One of the controllers drives base, so like basically the movement of the robot, and the other one is called arm, and it does the task. Like for this one, it'll shoot the rings into the target you see over there.
Okay, this next shot, if it goes in, she gets to get a dog. Here we go. Make it count, guys. Get it nice and close. Get it nice and close. Doesn't matter which one it goes in. Oh! In your face! You're buying a dog! Let's go! Give it up! Good. That might have meant 2 dogs. Oh my, what have you signed up for? That's pretty cool. Thank you for showing us that. Of course. Congratulations on your dog, man. It's in the works. This is happening. Yeah. Are you too old? Are you? You don't have to be too old. Here. You can. Yeah.
I thought it was magnetic.
I thought it was too, and it touched it. I was like, it didn't cave.
It's coming all the way out that button.
Catch any fish? I got one. All right, good. The jump shot cast. I saw it from up there. I'm like, all right, I don't know much about fishing. We'll see how this works out. I've never caught a fish in my entire life, so he's got to be doing better than us. We had a great opportunity to interact with some young fishermen and some old ones, hand out some stickers and introduce the community to Canine Dutch, myself and Officer Parker. It's been a fun day, it's been a wet day, but overall we've had a really good time.